Hello, everybody. This is Giovanni from the Options Trading channel with a quick little tutorial video showcasing what indicators I choose to trade with each and every day. I don't open up my charts without these indicators. It makes my life so much easier as a day trader, especially trading ICT concepts. Let's make this video short and sweet. Let's get down to it. Starting off with the very first indicator, if you haven't noticed by now, these are the indicators that I used. Let's go one by one, starting with the first one, ICT Institutional Order Flow. Click on it, and basically this one, all it does is it highlights the SIBIs and BISIs, the fair value gaps. I've changed the default settings on this indicator, mainly just the color of the SIBI, which is purple. I don't know what the default color is. Also the sensitivity. If I click on this wheel, the settings button, and I go down, you can change the displacement strength. I have it set to 1. Again, I don't know what the default setting is, but you can change all sorts of things here by just clicking on the settings. And again, all it does is just highlights the fair value gaps, BISIs, and SIBIs. Oh, and let's go with the second indicator. It is ICT Kill Zones Toolkit by Lux Algo. If I click on it here, this one's going to highlight the kill zones like New York AM session, New York PM session. It's also going, let's go back, sorry. It's going to highlight London session and Asian session. And you can also change the times up. You do have to change the times in which they work. If your state goes through daylight savings, excuse me. And again, you can change that just by hitting the settings tab there on the indicator. You can actually label these whatever you like: Asian, London, New York AM, New York PM. If you just want to put AM, PM, that's fine. Doesn't matter. Whatever works for you. Moving on, the third and last one is the ICT Silver Bullet by Lux Algo as well. If I click on it, it produces these lines of liquidity, but I don't really use that. I don't really use this for the liquidity levels. They are useful, but it does it automatically. And we're just looking at a 1-minute chart here. But what I really use it for is for the simple fact, because I'm lazy, it points out the PM sessions for Silver Bullet. You can see for me, it's from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. Again, New York Eastern Time, it's 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, and it highlights it just automatically. And it also highlights, I believe, fair value gaps within this time or kill zone, so to speak. And I don't use it for that. I just use it for it to automatically highlight the 1 hour sessions, essentially, that I look for a trade. And those are all of the indicators that I use. It works fabulously for all time zones, and it does it. If you want 15-minute, it'll do it for the 15-minute charts. And it's all there. It even says FVG, fair value gaps. And one last thing that I do want to mention is, if you can't stack up a certain number of indicators, that means that you do have to upgrade your subscription, pay a little bit more. There is a link at the bottom of the description that'll get you into TradingView if you don't have TradingView already, or if you want to upgrade your subscription, just hit that tab and it'll help me out as well. Give me a little bit of a kickback. But those are all the indicators that I use. I'm sorry. One last thing that I utilize, and let me actually change this so you see it. It is in my live stream each and every day, but I want to highlight this. Window, share. I absolutely love, and I have 2 screens here. You can't tell that it's 2 screens, of course, but I have 4 tabs in one window that I see. I see, starting from the far right, you see the 4-hour, then going down to, the daily, down to the 4-hour, down to the 1 hour, down to the 15, all in one view in my view here, and that helps me out tremendously. It highlights exactly where price is within any of those time frames, and it makes it a lot easier. I did find out that when I was trying to do that, you need a certain level of subscription. You will have to upgrade to a certain level. So again, hit that link down below. It'll help me out just a little bit as well. And I do believe that you get a $15 discount as well by using that link down below. Again, thank you so much for tuning in on today's video. Quick little tutorial. Didn't want to take up too much of your time. I hope this helps out your trading. See you guys here on the next trading video. See you guys later.